Gyeongbokgung Palace is set to open the Gyeonghaeru and Hwangwonjeong pavilions for special guided fall tours every Wednesday and Friday from September 2nd through October 30th.
경복궁이 오는 9월 2일부터 10월 30일까지 매주 수요일과 금요일에 경회루와 향원정을 개방해 국가유산 해설사의 해설을 들으며 이들 전각을 감상할 수 있는 하반기 특별 관람 행사를 운영합니다. It sounds exciting.
Yes, it's wonderful news for not just local visitors, but visitors from abroad who want to get a taste of Korea's royal palaces and traditional culture. So this is a project that's being led by the Cultural Heritage Foundation. So a cultural heritage interpreter will be leading these tours. So visitors will be able to explore Gyeonghaeru's architecture, climb its second floor for views of the palace and the surrounding mountains. The whole area is a beautiful place, you know, located right in the heart of the city. And then they'll be able to cross the bridge there and then look at the royal gardens. Gyeonghaeru served as a venue for royal banquets and receptions during the Joseon dynasty. Hwangwonjeong was a leisurely space for the royal family, so you can kind of get a feel for how the royals enjoyed their leisure time and their how they held their banquets. The tours will not operate on public holidays or during the Royal Palace Cultural Festival, which will be held from October 7th through 11th. While an invitational tour for multicultural families and people with hearing impairments will be held on August 31st, so you can take note of that.
네. 자, 9월 2일부터 10월 30일입니다. 물론 운영하지 않는 일부 날도 있어요. 법정 공휴일이라든지 아니면 가을 궁중 문화 축전 기간인 10월 7일부터 11일 사이 요때는 이제 운영을 하지 않지만 그 외에는 이제 매주 수요일과 금요일 시간도 보니까요. 오전 10시 타임이 있고 오후 2시 타임이 있더라고요. 그래서 여러분이 좋은 시간에 이렇게 딱 예약해서 가면은 정말 좋겠다라는 생각이 드는데 경회루 같은 경우에는 예전에 banquet, 만찬이나 연회 이런 게 많이 열렸던 곳이군요. 굉장히 그 화려한 모습을 좀 상상하게 되는데 예, 향원정 같은 경우에는 또 왕과 가족이 휴식을 취하던 그런 곳이니까 또 여러분이 왕이 돼서 이렇게 상상하는 거. 우리 어린이들 데리고 가면은 참 좋겠다는 생각이 들어요.
Wear your hanboks.
한복 입고 가면은 혜택이 있나요? 네, 그래도 기분 좋죠. 네. 자, 그래요. 표현 좀 보겠습니다. A pavilion.
A pavilion is a roofed open structure, so it doesn't have walls, and it's usually used for public events, sports, or exhibitions, or as a shelter.
이게 누각이나 정자를 얘기해요. pavilion이라고 하면 그래서 경회루 and 향원정 pavilions라고 표현을 하고 있고. And what's a guided tour?
A guided tour is a visit to a place or an area that's led by a person. It could also be, they have audio tours as well, or a printed guidebook. And these guides, they show the way and explain facts about the site.
그러니까 가이드가 딸린 여행, 그게 guided tours가 되겠습니다. 자, 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. 경복궁 Palace is set to open the 경회루 and 향원정 pavilions for special guided fall tours every Wednesday and Friday from September 2nd through October 30th. Now let's move on to the next headline.
Colon cancer ranked as Korea's third most common among people newly diagnosed with cancer as of 2023 after thyroid and lung cancer, according to data released by the Ministry of Health and Welfare and the Korea Central Cancer Registry.
보건복지부와 중앙암등록본부가 발표한 통계에 따르면 2023년 기준 국내 신규 암 환자들 중 대장암이 갑상선암과 폐암 다음으로 많이 발생한 것으로 나타났습니다. 대장암은 영어로 colon cancer라고
Yep.
합니다. Tell
Yeah.
us more.
So it was the third most common newly diagnosed cancer in Korea, and irritable bowel syndrome apparently affects a significant share of people seeking treatment for digestive systems. So experts are recommending increasing dietary fiber by eating a lot of vegetables, fruits, legumes, whole grains, and nuts while cutting back on processed meat, which has been linked to reduced gut microbial diversity and a higher risk of colon cancer. And this is kind of concerning because, earlier we talked about higher prices for a lot of vegetables and fruits. So fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, kombucha, they may also promote a more diverse gut microbiome and help reduce inflammation. So doctors are recommending eating more of those foods as well. But I think the important part is trying to reduce or cut back on eating the processed foods and eating more fresh vegetables, fresh fruits, and whole grains, nuts, these foods that are more healthy for you.
그래요. 이 장의 개선을 위해서는 이제 건강하게 식습관을 좀 바꾸는 것이 좀 필요하겠죠. 원래 건강하게 드시는 분들은 그대로 쭉 하시면 되겠고 채소 과일 섭취 굉장히 중요하다라고 합니다. 저는 이 기사를 보면서 굉장히 눈에 띄었던 대목이 뭐냐면은 바로 이제 기분과 수면을 조절하는 세로토닌이 95%가 장에서 나온다. 그렇기 때문에 장 건강이 좋지 않으면은 잠도 제대로 자지 못할 수 있고 만성 피로를 겪을 수 있다라고 해서 역시 이제 영어로도 gut 그러니까 모든 것의 어떤 직감적인 처음 우리가 느끼는 것 그것의 어떤 연결고리를 가지고 얘기 많이 하잖아요.
Yeah, that gut feeling.
그게 참 어떤 근거가 있다라는 생각이 들기도 했었고 어쨌든 이제 장내 세균, 장 건강 조금 더 신경을 써야겠습니다.
Yeah.
All right, let's have a look at something that is the most common.
Most common. It means it's occurring, found, or done more often than anything else. And actually, commonest is also grammatically correct.
Oh, is it?
But it's rarely used. Most
Never
people
heard it.
use most common the most. But I found out, this is also something that I found out that's new to me too. But commonest is also grammatically correct.
Wow, the superlative
Yep.
of common is apparently commonest.
Yeah.
But most of the time we just say most
Most
common.
common, yes.
가장 흔한, most common. 자, 그다음에는 이제 diagnosed with something.
If you're diagnosed with something, this means that a doctor or an expert has identified a specific medical condition, illness, or problem after examining a person.
어떠한 병을 진단받았다라고 할 때 someone is diagnosed with something이라고 표현을 합니다. 자, 그 외에도 좀 어려운 단어들 thyroid는 갑상선이고요.
Yep.
lung은 폐가 되겠죠. 자, 다시 한번 읽어보겠습니다. Colon cancer ranked as Korea's third most common among people newly diagnosed with cancer as of 2023. After thyroid and lung cancer, according to data released by the Ministry of Health and Welfare and the Korea Central Cancer Registry. Let's move on to the final headline.
Soprano Sumi Jo has joined the list of Korean cultural and sporting icons, including BTS, Son Heung-min, and Faker, who have been honored with commemorative medals by the Korea Minting and Security Printing Corporation.
소프라노 조수미가 방탄소년단, 손흥민, 페이커 등 한국 문화 스포츠계를 대표하는 아이콘들에 이어 한국 조폐공사가 제작한 기념 메달의 주인공이 됐습니다. I'm looking at the images of the coins right now, and it's really beautiful.
Yeah.
Tell us more.
Yeah. Well, I'm surprised she hasn't joined this list already because she is quite a figure in Korea's, cultural scene. But she has joined this growing list of Korean cultural and sporting icons that have been honored with commemorative medals by the Korea Minting and Security Printing Corporation, or KOMSCO, which recently issued a medal marking the 40th anniversary of her international debut. The medal features Jo on the front and her acclaimed performance as Gilda in Rigoletto, which launched her global career in 1986 on the reverse side. Comsco has recently expanded its medal series beyond historical figures to celebrate Korea's global cultural and sporting stars like BTS, as I mentioned. 17 has been featured. 손흥민, Faker, Jo Seong-jin, An Se-young, as we mentioned before, is also on one of the medals. The medals are designed as lasting records of figures who have raised Korea's international profile, with proceeds from some issues also supporting causes such as youth soccer and hospital programs.
그러니까 문화, 예술, 스포츠계의 인사들을 이렇게 메달 형태로 제작을 해가지고요. 벌써 50년 넘게 조폐공사에서 이런 기념 메달을 제작해 오고 있습니다. 기념 메달 같은 경우에는요, 기념 주화와는 달리 액면가가 표시되어 있진 않습니다. 그래서 화폐로 사용할 수는 없고요. 그러나 이제 굉장히 의미 있는 그런 기념 메달이라고 보시면 되겠습니다. Okay, so 조수미 or 수미조 has been honored with this.
Yep.
What does that mean?
Yeah, if you're honored with something, it means that you either receive a special award, a special title, or maybe a formal distinction as a sign of respect, public praise, or recognition.
To be honored with something. 어떤 명예를 얻다, 무엇을 수여받다라는 뜻이 있어서요. 이제 조수미 씨도 역시 마찬가지로 이런 이제 메달이 얼굴이 나온 메달이 제작됐기 때문에 그런 명예를 얻었다? 이렇게 볼 수 있겠죠. 뒤에 나오는 단어가 commemorative medal입니다.
Yep. A commemorative medal is a specially designed metal piece that has been created to honor a specific historic event. It could be a military campaign, an anniversary, or a specific milestone, rather than some sort of competitive ranking. So it's a metal piece that has been specifically designed.
기념 메달을 commemorative medal이라고 합니다. 자, 그래서 뭐 기념식을 commemoration event라고 표현을 할 수도 있겠죠. 자, 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. Soprano Sumi Jo has joined a list of Korean cultural and sporting icons, including BTS, Son Heung-min, and Faker, who have been honored with commemorative medals by the Korea Minting and Security Printing Corporation. Well, that's it for the headlines this morning.